So I have one of these older receivers, and the customer said it had a loud humming sound there. So that sounds like something's going bad on the inside. So let's take off the cover and have a look. It has this nice kind of wood finish. That's nice. Online and I googled the Toshiba SA 500 service manual, and there we go. We have it. So this is the service manual. It gives you the overview of it, and that's the beauty. It tells you how to take the machine apart. It gives you high quality photos and the circuitry there. So these are mostly through-hole components, and it gives you a troubleshooting guide, and it gives you actually, I'll show you at the very end, it gives you the actual circuit board. It gives you the symbol and the actual replaceable description of that part, so you can easily find out the replacement. Not only that, it gives you the test voltage. And so at first I wanted to check to see if the amp is getting the correct voltage. So this is the main supply unit, and it gives you the contact points and has labels here of what you should read. So 14 volts, I've already checked out all these voltages and they're okay. I'm getting negative 33 volts plus 33 volts, and then this would be grounded here. So I know that that circuit is correct. So what I'm thinking that is wrong, I may go into the service part right. I'm pretty sure it's actually the issue is with the actual amplifier transistors. So it gives you a tuner section, and don't need to do that. Yeah, it's right in here, right here. So troubleshooting hints, how to examine the output power transistors, and that's what I would be do there. It says remove the driver unit, measure the voltage at the speaker output at terminals 13, 14, make sure that it's 0 volts and things like that. So I'm going to be going through this, and then we'll see what is wrong. So this is the inside. It is quite older. But it has these kind of modular circuit boards, which is nice. So I'm thinking the problem is probably in here. It looks like these are the operational amplifiers. So let me get my multimeter here. Let's see if any of them are shorted. They have like 3 legs or something. This guy here is shorted. Not 100% sure what this is. But yeah, I'm thinking that there's a problem on here. It's nice that it's modular, so we may be able to disconnect a portion of it. Okay, so these little bracket things come off. Alright, so has this little circuit board here. We have a burnt resistor on this panel. You can see how it's discolored. We probably have some issues on these transistors as well. We can test them out. Looks like it was like all hand soldered, which is interesting. So 0.7 there. Those look okay. We're not getting a short anywhere. So I imagine those are fine. For now, I've seen burnt resistors before, and usually burnt resistors they aren't an issue unless it's open. Could be. And you can see that even though it's black, these resistors are 220, and you see that one's fine, and then when I go onto that burnt one, I'm actually getting it. So even though it's discolored, that's not the issue. Okay. Alright. So I'm getting half forward voltage on this guy right here. And then this guy. Let's see here. And that one as well. Then we have our next layer. Getting 0.5. That's okay. Getting 0.5 there. So those seem to be fine. The only issue that I'm seeing is this shorted component right here at the top. I'm not 100% sure what that is, so I'm gonna probably have to Google this out, because it's shorting those two legs at the top there. Let me just take it off. There seems to be a screw on the top, and that pushes it down on the heat sink. Alright, so we took out that screw. C49C. I think that's what it is. So since this right here is giving me a short, you can see we put on the ohm reading, and we get 3 ohms. This here is a medium powered transistor, and they're the same on this one right here. It's a C49-6-Y, and I'm going to desolder this and just test it out. So with this out, you can see here that when I connect the first and second, I'm still getting 3 ohms. And we'll just, on the circuit, we'll just see if it has opened up that short. And it has. So we have a fried component here. So for this bad one right here, I'm going to put it in my little tester, and we'll just turn it on here. We're testing this, and you can see it's detecting it's like a resistor, so this component's basically bad. I have another NPN transistor here from my other rectifier, and you can see it should give you NPN EGJT. So I'm going to be using this to replace that broken one. Hopefully that's the only problem that we have here. It's just like a car, you save a couple for parts. Okay, we'll solder this in. One, two, three. We'll add a little bit more. Okay. in here it has some slots, so I'm just going to spray that with contact spray. And this goes in here. And then connect this resistor to the heatsink. Actually, I don't think that that's the right one there. Just remove that. Alright, so now when I do the continuity on this side, I'm getting half volt, so it's not shorted anymore. So will it work? That's the question. Let's plug it in. And we will see. Okay, here's the power, I think. There we go, it has the blue lights, nice. So, I have it on the radio. My speakers are small, but you can hear. I had the volume up. Have it to A and B. So it's not making that crazy static sound. But I don't think it's as loud as it should be. So I was having a problem where the volume was really super quiet. Like if I crank it up, you can like just barely hear the sound. And let me just get this out of the way. I found the trick was to, instead of having the tape source, hit it to source instead of tape. And then the volume has been fixed. And I also replaced this transistor here as well. So if your radio is not working, just remember to make sure that the switch source is not on tape, it's on the source, and double check the amplifier circuits, and you want to check these MOSFETs on the top here, and that should fix it for you. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.